Techstar, and today I will show you what is the difference between the 32-bit games and the 64-bit game. You can see on your screen the bit calculation of the 32-bit and the 64-bit. If you want to understand what is the exact difference between the 32-bit games and the 64-bit games, I will try my best to explain within the short time. 64-bit system can consume more RAM, or you can say use the more RAM as compared to the 32-bit system, and they can store the maximum number of the bits at a time, so that's why their processing level is faster than the 32-bit system. The 32-bit system, they can only support up to the 4 GB RAM, mean to say they can support only the 4 GB maximum RAM. On the other hand, the maximum 16 GB RAM. So before the comparison, I will show you the system configuration. I have the two operating system installed on my PC: Windows 7 32-bit, Windows 10 64-bit. Okay, on your screen you can see the configuration of my system. The CPU dual core processor, maximum RAM is the 4 GB, system type is the 32-bit. This is the configuration of the Windows 10 64-bit system, and on your screen you can see the configuration is also same. 32-bit system port up to the maximum 4 GB RAM at a time, but the memory allocation in the 32-bit system to the any task is the maximum to the 2 GB. If you run any task in the 32-bit system, the system will only maximum 2 GB RAM to the any task. They will not assign the more than the 2 GB RAM to the any task, to the any game. And on the other hand, if you run that same game in the 64-bit system, the system can assign more than 2 GB RAM. I run the setup of the just case 2 and open the task manager, and yes, in the task manager you can see at that time the game is running, and the system assign the maximum 1.56 GB RAM to that task. Okay, and if I run now, guys, I'm running that same game in the 64-bit operating system Windows 10. I run the setup of the just case 2 open the task manager, and in your task manager you can see now the system assign the maximum to that task. And now on your screen, guys, this is the list of the games that I installed on my system. If I check the system requirement of the Devil May Cry on the Google, okay, now you can see recommended settings on the right side, and the minimum system requirements in on the left hand side. You can run that game on the 32-bit system. Okay, if the requirement is the minimum 4 GB, then still you can run that game on your system. But if the minimum RAM is the 6 GB or more than the 6 like 8 GB, then you cannot run that game on your system, because as I said, 32-bit system allocation memory RAM is only support up to the 2 GB, so it means he cannot assign the more than the 2 GB RAM to the any task. So other example, if I check the minimum requirement of the Medal of Honor 2, open the gamedebate.com, and yes, on your screen you can see the maximum and on your screen you can see the minimum requirement is the 2 GB. It means you can run that game on the 32-bit system. And according to me, guys, GameDebate is the best.com to compare or check the official or the recommended minimum requirements of the any game. And suppose if your system have the 16 GB RAM and you installed the Windows 32-bit version, okay, and now your system have the 16 GB RAM, but your system will not assign the more than the 2 GB RAM to the any task. So I mean to say your remaining RAM will remain free, will not assign to the that task. On the other hand, if you have the 16, if you will run that same game in the 64-bit version, it will assign the more than the 2 GB RAM at a time, so the background applications and the game can run simultaneously at the good pace. Mostly software like the Adobe Premiere Pro, CC, Adobe After Effects, and the high-end games like the GTA 5 and the Marvel vs. Capcom only support the 64-bit system. If you like that video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks.